Hi everyone, welcome to Hrutu Show. Today we're gonna make one of my favorite breakfasts, Upama. It's an Indian breakfast. So let's get started. What we have here is some oil. We have some dry ingredients. We have mustard seed, cumin seeds, asafoetida, and turmeric. We also have some onion, we have some tomatoes, roasted semolina, we also have some tools. For that we need some double water, salt. Hello. For garnishing we need coriander. Let's get started cooking. My mom is here to help me because I'm little and when we're little we need a big grown up if you want to cook by yourself. So she's gonna turn on the gas. She turned it low speed. First what you need is oil. Now the oil is what we need to add on the dry ingredients. सभी पूर करो Never ever touch this egg. It's very hot. You might hurt yourself. The click noise. Add all the onion. Now add onion. Can you hold that on? Now we need to saute it until it becomes turned to golden brown. Mixing until it's golden brown. Now it's golden brown, we need to add the tomatoes. Tomatoes with the golden brown onion. Done. Now we need to have half tablespoon of salt. And then we mix it together. Now add all of this semolina. All of that semolina, and then roasted semolina, and then you mix it again until it turns all yellow. Wow, what an aroma! Look, come on and see. I made this by myself. Now we need to double amount of water. Let's add it in. Wow. Secret coriander. And then I'll put rest for garnishing. Put on the lid and wait for a few minutes. Put on the lid and wait for a few minutes. If it's done, and then it's time to eat it. But one last step, we are gonna add that ghee add some ghee. Put in ghee and then it's ready to eat. That's the last step. Turn off the gas and now we're done. Ready to eat, and look at this. I made this by myself. And you can also make it by yourself. Now let's taste it.